dojú ẹ̀ Aunty Adunni ní àsìkò ti tó fún Pastor David Ibiyomie láti gbé iṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ lẹ̀ kán gbé bíbélì lẹ̀ bí ò bá wọ̀ fún wọn mọ́ kán yé parọ́ mọ́ṣẹ́ Olúwa láti máa lu àwọn ọmọ ìjọ ní jìbìtì lórí owó ìdámẹ́wàá ìyẹn táìtì sísan. Bí mo mọ̀ ṣe tún rí ni mo mọ̀ tún ṣe gbé wá fẹ̀yìn èèyàn wà. Bẹ́bí gbogbo wa la mọ̀ bí àwọn tithe pastors yìí ṣe máa ń fi gbogbo ògbà polongo owó ìdámẹ́wàá sísan ní ilé ìjọsìn wọn. Wọ́n mọ̀ sọ pé ọmọ ìjọ tí ò bá ti san owó táìtì wọn ní ò lè ṣoríire. Kódà àwọn míì kò tún mọ̀ sọ wípé ẹni tí ò bá ti san táìtì kò lè rí ìjọba ọ̀run.
You don't tithe, you risk your life. I'm a deep teacher of the word.
Make it clear to them. Anyone who is not paying his tithe is not going to heaven. Full stop.
Oríṣiríṣi láǹbà eléyìí tó tún wá ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ó ní èyí tí Pastor David Ibiyomie tún sọ tí wọ́n ní táwọn bá rí ẹnikẹ́ni tó soríire láì mọ̀ san táìtì wọn láwọn ò gbé bíbélì lẹ̀. Ẹ dákun gbà tán gbé bíbélì lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ iṣẹ́ kí náà fi ń ṣe ká fi ẹnu ká dákẹ́. Aunty Adunni bá fún wọn jẹ wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀ wọ́n sọ láskàbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn tithe pastor pátápátá. Wọ́n ní bí ò bá wọ̀ kí kálukú wọn ò fi ṣe Olúwa lẹ̀ kán yé lu àwọn ọmọ ìjọ ń jìbìtì kán yé fi style tọrọ fáìn bàrà mọ́. Tó ṣe wípé gbogbo bàbá yìí tí wọ́n ṣáà ní pé kọ́mọ ìjọ wa mọ̀ san táìtì ọmọ ìjọ ò bá àmọ́ rò ń jẹjẹ. Nǹkan kì í sínú fọ́nrán yìí. Káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Digi Television. Ẹ dákun ẹ máa bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lójú ìwòran yìí lábẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí ló wà. Ẹ like fọ́nrán yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ sì láǹfààní láti fèrò tiyín náà sí kọ́mẹ̀ǹtì ó kẹ́sì máa bá mi share kó máa lọ sí gbogbo orí ayélujára. Aunty Adunni wọ́n sọ kò bá kùn gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn tithe pastors. Wọ́n ní bàbá fẹ́ gbé bíbélì ilẹ̀ kan gbé ilẹ̀ bàbá fẹ́ pàṣẹ Olúwa tí kan pàtì. Ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ gbà wá lákòókò púpọ̀ jù.
David Ibiyomie. Wetin Musa no go see for gate, wetin your members, church member no go see for pastor hand. Wetin they know they hear from you people. Your latest number is that if you see anybody that has prospered from not paying tithes, you say you will drop your Bible. In fact, it is time to drop that Bible because you are lying with that Bible too much. It is time you drop the Bible, Ibiyomie, and I will tell you why. Some of your videos, a lot of your videos on tithes is so many on YouTube. Now you talk say anybody will no pay tithes, you say then go buy. What tithes do you Ibiyomie? Listen to yourself. When they don't pay tithes, they risk their life. Where that one day for inside the Bible where you read? Where are they that they risk their life? So somebody that does not pay tithes, something will happen. Okay, what about us? Because I stopped paying tithes over 20 years ago, and I saw my life they better. I know beg for food. I know beg for food like your members. A lot of your members are paying tithes, they don't have job. A lot of your your members are paying tithes, they are losing job. Now your latest number is that anybody, if you see anybody that is not paying tithes and is prospering, you say you will drop the Bible. It is time to drop your Bible. Ibiyomie, it is time to drop that Bible. Only you talk, say person will no pay tithes, then be criminal. Person will no pay tithes, they no go prosper. Person will no pay tithes, they are risking their life. Person will no pay tithes, that they can never see the kingdom. Now you still talk, say you they pay 10 million every week as offering. Abba, who you they pay the money to? Who they collect the tithes? You say you are not telling them to pay tithes, so you don't need their money. All the money where you they collect, where you they share the money to the members in the church? I don't blame you. I blame the people following you people. I blame the people following you, and it is not their fault. As long as they keep listening to you, they can never understand what we are saying. I am vexed today. I dey vex as I dey. Which kind nonsense preaching? Ibiyomie, it is time to drop that Bible. Elon Musk, they go church, he prosper. or $10, then prosper. I can bet it, and I challenge you, bring a member in your church that is as rich as these people. All the people in your church that are paying tithe, bring just one from them. Then we will start believing you. Just one of them that prospered from paying the tithe to you. Now they satisfied. Why are you guys so greedy? You these pastors, why are you people so greedy that you are behaving like a glutton? Shebi na talk say the love of money is the root of all evil. Why na can't love money so much? Na still they lie on top. You still they lie. Which kind of lamba be that? Say you go drop your Bible. Shame on you with that your lamba. Big shame on you and the rest of your pastors that are lying up and down. Shame on all of you. Na no get single shishi shame. Na no get. Without all this talk, when they talk, all this yarning of rubbish, when they yarn and nonsense. Single shame, all of you no get. All because of people's sweat that you want to collect. People's money. It is not your fault. Because you are collecting and they are bringing, that is why they sweet now. And now they bring different lamba to sell to them. Put them under fear. Put them under manipulation. Manipulate and twist their brain so they can drop. People when no drop unko, why then they prosper? People when they do go church unko, why then they prosper? People when no even believe in religion, why then they prosper? Then they even prosper past people where they church. A lot of your members are hungry. They need job in Nigeria. You say if you see anybody will prosper, you say you I beg making a comment when I give it na ye lie and shame when I no get. I no get shame because now they do beggy of people's money stylishly. You are a beggar by style. All you pastors where they collect people money. Now be beggar by style.
One of the major problems ta ní lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ó lẹ́sìn ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn tá a pè ní èèyàn Ọlọ́run ní lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí ọ̀pọ̀ wọn bí ẹni fi style lu jìbìtì náà máa ń ṣe kí ló dé? Inú àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ lásìtì ráwọn tó ṣe wípé wọ́n lè rí wọ́n àti jẹun àárọ̀gún ó dìṣòro ká tó sọ pé oúnjẹ mẹ́ta lójúmọ́. Inú àwọn ọjọ́ wọn lẹ́tì ráwọn tó ṣe wípé wọ́n níṣẹ́ gidi lápá. Inú àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ wọn lẹ́tì rí àwọn ilé tó ṣe wípé nǹkan tó ń bá wọn fìrà gan ojú kéèyàn mẹ́nu bọ̀rọ̀ wọn lọ. Ó lágbára o. Most of them wọ́n tún wá ní ríran sáwọn ọmọ ìjọ wọn. Àwọn tó ṣe wípé wọ́n wà ní high places, àwọn olówó tó wà comfortable náà mọ̀ ríran sí ní gbogbo ìgbà. Gbogbo owó ìdá mẹ́wàá tán ti ń san látijọ́ yìí. Ẹ bá wa bí wọ́n pé bona ń kó sí. Country yìí nìkan ni mo ti rí tó ṣe wípé pastor ó mọ̀ sanra. Pastor ó mọ̀ dán, alàgbàjọ ó mọ̀, wọ́n mọ̀ dán láwọ̀, wọ́n mọ̀ gbélé olówó alárànbarà, wọ́n mọ̀ wa mọ́tò alárànbarà, wọ́n mọ̀ live comfortably, àwọn ọmọ wọn náà mọ̀ gbádùn, àmọ́ṣẹ́ ráwọn ọmọ ìjọ, wọ́n wà mọ̀ rùn pàbí. Jẹ́jẹ́ ayára wa ní brain, ọlọ́mọdé aṣẹ́rú ẹgbẹ́ kú. Títí dìgbà mí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi tátìjọ máa pàdé, ẹ máa bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lójú ìwòran yín, ẹ like fọ́nrán yín, ẹ fi èrò tiyín náà nípa ta tó mú wàyẹ sọ sí comment, kẹ́sì máa bá mi pín fọ́nrán yìí kó máa lọ káàkiri orí ayélujára. Ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ ń wò mí ní gbogbo ìgbà.